Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a form in the Bluebeam Revu application. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your document on Bluebeam Revu first. Select the page from the thumbnails tab here on the left hand side, or you may create a new blank page. Let us do this for this document. Right click into that field here, select insert blank page, select page count 1, or depending on how long your form would look or would be. Select the blank style here, click into OK. You may also customize the page width and height here if you like. I will go with this blank page for the sake of this tutorial. Click into OK here. And then guys, select the given page here on the left hand side. So to insert a form, click into Forms here on the left hand side, select the given page, and then navigate to text box here. Click into it and position the first text box of your form. So let me position one text box for the form here. And then what you want to do guys is switch to the select tool at the bottom. Click into your text, into your first text box of your form here from that list to the left. Press Ctrl C to copy it, Ctrl V to paste it, and then position it just below the first text field. As you can see guys, if I repeat this, you will see, for example, these lines here for orientation. So you can position these text boxes just below the other ones, like this, for instance. So you can keep creating a form like this, and if you later save your document or print it, your co-editors or users or participants of the form will have the opportunity, for example, to left click into the given text field and enter the given or fill the given text field, or here, or here, or here. Or if you print it, they will have the opportunity to write something manually within the given field. Now, of course, you can use the text box tool here to the right to describe the given field. Like, for example, I don't know, we have name, and then you can copy the text box and align it, for example, or position it next to the next text field here or form field. Double click into it, and yeah, keep adding these lines to your form to create the form. And as you can see here to the left guys, in the form tab you will see how many form fields the given page contains, 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. You may also right click into the given form field and select properties and customize each form field's appearance here on the left hand side and its layout. For example, you can adjust the position here, the document width and height, the rotation, and go through these settings here. Enable a default value, for example, a limit of characters, for instance, for the given form field. Enable a spelling, grammar, check spelling, for example. And then guys, under format, for instance, you may choose format here. Number, for example, if only numbers are allowed, or percentage, date. So you can customize these form fields according to your likings. And last but not least, you can also add actions to the given form field. Like, for example, on mouse click, get redirected to an internal linking. To do that, click into the drop down menu next to trigger. Select mouse enter, which is the mouse click. Click into add action. And here under basics, select the internal linking by enabling jump to. And from that drop down menu, select the given document you would like to link internally or a specific page of it. Click into OK. And now guys, as you can see, the action and trigger have been added to that form field. So if your forum participants click into the given form field, they will be redirected to the document, as you can see guys. So that's how it works, or to the given page. That's how you create a form on Bluebeam Revu. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.